Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share you about the patent. Now, coming to the patent, what it is. It's nothing but it's an official document which will be granted when you make any new invention. When we make any new invention, the person who makes, that is a person called as inventor, should have some rights. To get that rights, we will be applying for a document called patent. And coming to the patent, who declares the patent? Now, we do have an act called Patents Act 1970. And this is a patent act was accepted in the year 19th September 1970, and finally it came to force on 20th April 1972. But the act is called as Patent Act 1970. Now, what are the objects of this act? Firstly, they wanted to encourage the research and innovation. Secondly, inventions, that is nothing to encourage the inventions and to give reward for expenses incurred, and they are going to give the rewards for the expenditure what they have incurred also. And finally, to avoid reinventing the wheel. That means already if we have invented something, if we get any patent, so it will be avoiding other to reinvent it. Nextly, we have what are the requirements of patent. That means to get a patent, firstly it should have some subject matter is nothing but it should be new. That means it does not exist in the world. Secondly, whatever we invented must be useful, and that should be called as invention, and that also should be capable of industrial application, and whatever the invention you have made, that should be saleable. Now, coming to the meaning, patent is a right granted by the government. Okay, patents are granted by government to the inventor, and they are excluded from imitating, manufacturing or using or selling the invention in question for commercial use during the specific period in the business world. That means to avoid the other person manufacturing, the government is going to provide a patent right to the inventors. Example, robo. Now coming to the functions. What are the functions for the patents are? It creates a market barrier for other competitors. Yes, as we get the right, the other opposite party will not be ready to say produce the same. They will produce something which will have one point more than us. Secondly, it ensures royalty on the licensing of patents to third party. It's nothing but it will have a right for the inventor who invented this product. Nextly, now let us know for which things the patents are granted. Firstly, patents are granted for any new invention, including a product. It may be product also, but it should be an invention. Secondly, not only invention, for any innovation or improvement of any invention. Now, in this what they are telling, firstly, for any new invention they will give the patent. Secondly, already existing inventions, if you do any improvement to that, then also you will get the patent. And thirdly, for any process of any invention also you will get the patent. And thirdly, for the concept also you are going to get the patent. For these 4 points you are going to get the patent. Next, we are going to the definition of the patent. What they are telling about the patent definition is, patent means a patent for any invention granted under this act. Under this act is nothing but Patent Act 1970. Patent Act 1970. And what the section number for patent is? Section 2 subsection M subclause M. Section 2 subsection 1 subclause M. Now let us go what is called as invention. Invention means a new product or process involving an innovative step and capable of industrial application. What they are telling is, invention means it should be a new product and it should be used in the industrial purpose also. Coming to the invention section is section 2 subsection 1 subclause J according to Patents Act 1970. One more thing, what they are telling here, invention must be new. Secondly, it should also have an inventive step. Thirdly, it should be used in the industrial application. Now let us finalize what is a patent again. Firstly, patent is an official document which is given to the inventor. And what's the meaning? Meaning they are telling that compulsorily it should exclude others from imitating or manufacturing. That means whatever the product we produced or whatever the innovation we made, if we get a patent, the other person will not try to make it again. Now coming to the patents are given for the invention, improvement of invention, process of invention, and for the concept. What's the section for patent? Section 2 subsection 1 subclause M. For the invention, Section 2, subsection 1, subclause J. Patents Act has come to force on 20th April 1972, and these are the objects of the Act and these are the requirements of the Act. Hope you have understood this video. Thank you for this.